Your pool's pH just dropped from 7 to 6. That might sound like a tiny change, but it is anything but small. pH is a scale that runs from 0 to 14. 7 sits right in the middle as neutral, anything below 7 is acidic, and anything above it is basic. Here is the part that trips most people up. The pH scale is not linear, it is logarithmic. That means each single step of 1 represents a 10-fold change in acidity. So pH 6 is not slightly more acidic than pH 7, it is 10 times more acidic. And pH 5 is a full 100 times more acidic than pH 7. So what does that mean for our pool? When the pH drops from 7 to 6, the water is 10 times more acidic. Swimmers' eyes start to burn, chlorine loses its effectiveness, and the pipes begin to corrode. If it drops all the way to pH 5, the water is now 100 times more acidic than where it started. To put the scale in context, battery acid sits at pH 0, about as acidic as anything gets. Lemon juice is around 2 and coffee is about 5. Pure water is the neutral benchmark at 7. Human blood has to stay between 7.35 and 7.45, just a tenth of a point outside that range is a medical emergency. Further up the scale, bleach sits at 12 and drain cleaner reaches all the way to 14. So here is the rule to remember. Every whole number on the scale represents a 10-fold difference, not a one-step difference. That means pH 3 is not 3 times more acidic than pH 6, it is 10 times 10 times 10, which works out to 1,000 times more acidic. The pH scale is logarithmic, which means every single step represents a 10-fold change in acidity. Small numbers do not just mean slightly more acidic, they mean dramatically more acidic. The next time you see a pH value, remember that those numbers are far more powerful than they look.